So the pain in gold and silver after many retail investors got in at the peak continues, and if you want to know what's really going on, watch this till the end. So silver is down almost 11% in the US markets right now, and that is happening because this fall started about 5 hours ago, which means that kal jab market India mein khulegi, your silver ETF will reflect a similar downtick of almost 10 to 15%. So at 3 a.m. India time in the US markets, gold is down about 3%, and as you can see, this big fall happened just a few hours ago. So tomorrow your gold ETFs will also be down. So the biggest reason this is happening is because of the US jobs data that just got out, where 1.3 lakh jobs have been added in the US versus an expectation of just 70,000. इससे दो चीजें होती हैं, that आपका जो डॉलर पे फोकस है वो बढ़ जाता है, and hard assets मतलब गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर में जो लोग पैसा डालते हैं to actually hedge the dollar, that goes down. And the Fed also is less likely to cut interest rates if the economy is already resilient. The second biggest reason this could be happening is because Russia is considering potentially to bring back the dollar for its major commodity trading. Now, these are just rumors at this stage, but this is the other big reason there is so much price action in gold and silver right now. अगर आपने गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर में इन्वेस्ट करा हुआ है या आप करना चाहते हैं, द बेस्ट थिंग दैट यू कैन डू राइट नाउ इज ट्रैक दीज डेवलपमेंट्स दैट आर हैपनिंग अराउंड द वर्ल्ड, एंड टू स्टे अपडेटेड विद दैट फॉलो कर लो, एंड आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.